Hello everyone! We are going to tackle about diagramming compound sentence. Before anything else, let us first define what is compound sentence. Compound sentence is made up of one, two or more independent clauses and are joined together. Yes, compound sentence is made up of two or more independent clauses and are joined together. By the way, what is an independent clause? Independent clause expresses a complete thought and can stand alone as a complete sentence. Here is an example of an independent clause. Many people travel. People there stands as the subject. Travel stands as a verb. It can stand alone as a complete sentence. Here is the example of a compound sentence. Steve McCurry takes exciting photographs and each picture tells a story. Steve McCurry takes exciting photographs is an independent clause, while each picture tells a story is another independent clause. It is connected by the conjunction and. Let us now proceed on how to diagram compound sentence. To diagram, just draw a cross sign, a vertical one and a horizontal one. In this side, you are going to put the subject, while in this side, you are going to put the verb. Let us diagram the sentence, Steve McCurry takes exciting photographs and each picture tells a story. Okay, we are going to make a cross sign, and in this side we are going to put the subject, which is Steve McCurry, and then we are going to put the verb here, which is takes, and then a vertical line, and after the vertical line we are going to put the photographs, for it is the direct object of the verb, transitive verb, which is takes, and then the exciting here we're going to put it below the word it modifies. Exciting word here modifies photographs. And after that, we're going to draw a broken line for our connector, which is and then we're going to diagram the second independent clause. Each picture tells a story. Picture there stands as the subject, while each there stands as the modifier of the picture. And then this is the verb. After the verb, we are going to draw a vertical line, and after the vertical line we are going to put the story, for the story is the direct object of the transitive verb tells, and then the which is an adjective, specifically an article, we are going to put it below the word it modifies. Another example, the people travel because they crave excitement. The people travel there is an independent clause. They crave excitement is another independent clause, because there was the conjunction. Let us make first a cross sign. In this side, we are going to put the subject, and then below the subject, we are going to put the, because it is an article. It modifies the people. And then in this side, we are going to put the verb. Again, let us make a broken line for our connector, for our conjunction because. And then we are going to diagram the second independent clause. In this side, we are going to put the subject, which is they, and then we are going to put here the verb. We are going to draw a vertical line, and after the vertical line, we are going to put excitement, for excitement is the direct object of the transitive verb, which is crave. Another example, interpreters help Steve and they solve his problems. Interpreters help Steve is an independent clause. They solve his problem is another independent clause. And there was the conjunction. Let us diagram this sentence. Again, we are going to draw another cross sign. In this side, we are going to put the subject, which is interpreters, and then the verb help, and then the vertical line. After the vertical line, Steve. For Steve is the direct object of the transitive verb help. It answers the question who. Interpreters help who? Steve. we're going to draw another broken line for our conjunction. And this time, we're going to diagram the second independent clause. In this side, we're going to put the subject here, and then the verb, and we're going to draw a vertical line. And after the vertical line, we're going to put the direct object of the verb, which is problems, for it is the direct object of the transitive verb, which is solve. And then the his, we are going to put his under or below the word it modifies. His, her, here, rather modifies the word problems. Those are just some tips on how to diagram compound sentences. But still, I am encouraging you to learn more. Never stop learning.